In this video, we'll guide you through the process of moving a cart to your workspace for later use. To seamlessly transfer items from your cart to a workspace, make sure you're logged into your My Emerson account. Once logged in, you'll gain access to all the workspaces linked to your account. Choose to move individual items from your cart to a workspace by clicking on the three dots next to each line item and selecting Add Item to Workspace. Or, add your entire cart to a workspace by clicking on Add to Workspace at the top of your cart. Proceed by choosing your preferred workspace from the pop-up modal. If needed, you can create a workspace instantly within the modal by selecting Create a new workspace. Once this process is complete, your items will be made available in your workspace immediately. And that's how you can move an active cart to a workspace in My Emerson.